Ever wondered how crucial pollinators are to our ecosystem? They're more than just bees buzzing around your garden. Pollinators play a vital role in our food production, helping plants to reproduce and bear fruit. Not only that, they're key actors in maintaining biodiversity, ensuring that our ecosystems continue to thrive. But these tireless workers are under threat, with their habitats disappearing and environmental challenges increasing. Creating a pollinator paradise in your garden can help support these essential creatures. Ready to transform your garden into a haven for pollinators? Let's delve into the step-by-step guide. First up, selecting the right plants. Opt for native species, as these are a magnet for local bees, butterflies, and birds. Think variety and color to cater to different pollinator preferences. Next, providing food and water. Plant flowers in clusters to create a buffet of nectar and pollen, and consider adding a bird bath or a shallow dish of water with stones for them to perch on. Creating nesting sites comes third. Leave some bare ground for ground nesting bees or install a bee hotel. And don't forget to provide shelter for butterflies and moths by leaving leaf piles or logs in your garden. Lastly, avoid pesticides. They can harm beneficial insects and disrupt the delicate balance of nature. Each step you take, whether small or grand, attracts and supports a diverse array of pollinators. With these steps, you're well on your way to creating a thriving pollinator paradise. Imagine the impact if every garden enthusiast created their own pollinator paradise. The benefits are immense, from the joy of seeing a buzzing bee to the satisfaction of a fruitful harvest. A pollinator-friendly garden not only increases plant yield, but also boosts biodiversity, creating a thriving ecosystem right in your backyard. So why wait? Start creating your own little Eden today. It's time to make a positive difference. Give it a try, and remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips.